Good work. Okay. Last two lines once more from ha.
Ha, haba, hada, hatha, haja, ha, ho, ha.
No.
No, I mean, oh. Ho, khoba, khota, khofa, khoja, khoha, khoho.
Very, very, very good work. Especially when you make sure, making sure the kha is heavy and the rest of the letters are light. That's brilliant. Now come to how you made a word, how you pronounce a word. We just did letter by letter, isolated, everyone by its own. So that is what?
A,
Good. And that what's that alone?
ma,
Good. Put them together.
ama.
Nice. And add this to
Ro.
them, which is
Oh, the ro,
good. Put all this together.
amaro,
Excellent. Very good. So again, it's a, then ma, ama, then ra becomes amara, amara, like that.
ama,
We'll do this right here. Ta, tara, tara, and then ka, tara, ka. Okay?
okay.
Yeah.
Daro, daro,
No, you said dara. You put your tongue out. No need to do this here.
daro,
Yeah.
ka, daroka,
Your tongue has nothing to do with this. None of these letters. Da, daraka.
oh,
Yeah?
daroka.
Yes, this is it. Next. Shall I make it big?
Da,
Is that better?
yeah.
Yeah.
Yes, I do. Daro,
No, say this again.
da,
Say this again.
da,
No, that is ta. What is this?
fa, no.
Hmm. Remember the strong letters? The heavy letters?
Do,
Yes.
doro,
Yeah.
doro, ka,
No.
daro,
Huh?
ka,
Yes.
daroka,
No. Not ka or ka.
doroka,
Heavier. Make it inside. Qa. Qa.
doroko.
Yes. This is it. Good work.
Which one am I on?
Okay.
This,
That's a good question. How about now? You see it?
yeah, that one I'm on. Okay. Da, roka, roka,
Hmm.
roka, da, roka, no.
You're about to say, so I said no.
Da,
Yes. That's it. Ra, ka, da. Read it again faster. Rakada.
roka da.
You see, it's very important here something. You don't say, yani, this is raka. Fine. Why are you doing it again? Because the time between the letters is matter. Raka, it need to be raka. Raka. I don't want
Raka.
to get used to say raka. Ra, because that is a different lesson, which is a mad lesson. Raka. No. It's ra, ka, next, raka. You need to get to this point, raka. And then at the end, rakada, rakada, rakada. Faster like this. Okay?
Okay.
Mm.
So the first letter is dot.
right?
Da.
Yeah.
Okay. Rocket. 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 Da. Rocket da.
Excellent.
Do.
Good.
Jala.
Ouch. That's
Je.
it.
I mean, no. Hola.
Yeah. Together?
Hola.
Yes.
Do.
Yeah.
Hola do.
Nice. Faster?
Hola do.
Okay. Yeah. Nice.
Go.
Yeah.
Holo.
No, not law.
La.
Yeah.
Hola.
Mm.
Hola. Go. I mean. Ka.
No.
Go.
Yes.
Hola. No.
Yes.
Hola. Go.
Yes. Again.
Hola go.
Your lips isn't doing. You join your lips. You don't have to do that.
Holo. Holo go.
خلق. No. You release your lips. Yes, just like this. Open it a bit. And then say kha deep inside your mouth. Kha.
Ho. Ho.
Back of your tongue is touching the flesh palate. Kha.
Ho.
That's it. La outside. The tip of your tongue. La.
La.
Nice. One inside, one outside. We get back again inside. Qa.
Go.
Okay. Kha la qa.
Ho. La. Go.
That's it. Your lips is released, has nothing to do with it. It's not moving in any way. Okay? And you just
Hola go.
good job. This is it. Brilliant. Okay, last
Ka.
yeah.
Baka. Baka. Ro. Baka ro.
Good job. You made it. Bakara. You made it by yourself. You didn't need my help on that one, which is perfect.
Ba.
Last line, this one, inshallah.
Bata.
Mm.
Bata.
Yes.
Ro. Bata ro.
This is it. Batara. Allah. MashaAllah. MashaAllah. Perfect. Okay, that was a pretty good job. I know it's hard. I know it's hustle a bit, but this is just the beginning. Later on, you will get used to it. And maybe this lesson is a bit hard because similar letters later it will become easier, inshallah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, Khalfan, take care of yourself. See you, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.
Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.